Are you suffering from acid reflux? Get help here. Want to permanently eliminate your acid reflux? If you've been struggling with this condition, then it's time for you to make sure it never takes control of your life again. Read on for many tips and tricks which will give you the weapons you need to fight back. If you are experiencing acid reflux issues and you do not have an antacid on hand, you can use baking soda to alleviate the problem. You will start to feel relief within a few minutes of taking it. It's time to quit smoking. Smoking can worsen or even cause acid reflux. It slows digestion, increases stomach acid, and slows down your saliva production. It also weakens the muscles that keep your stomach closed tight. That's why you need to butt out today. Always keep gravity in mind. Remember that acid is being held down, so when you position your body in a way where down isn't towards your feet, problems will ensue. Keep your head up and your stomach uncompressed, then you should be able to find relief from acid reflux all day long. Stop smoking if you are trying to rid yourself of issues with acid reflux. Many people do not know this, but smoking causes the muscles in the esophagus to relax. This can create some of the symptoms associated with acid reflux, so quit if you are trying to make things better. Do you suffer from respiratory problems? Do you have a chronic couch or wheeze often? If so, it could be an acid reflux problem. Heartburn could cause these symptoms. Your doctor might suggest a pH test. This procedure is done on an outpatient basis over the course of 24 hours and can determine if reflux is a problem. This video has given you numerous tips on how to get rid of your acid reflux symptoms. Now that you understand what must be done, it is time to begin taking changes. Keep this information close as you fight your battle against acid reflux. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.